Y'all, I ain't used conditioner on my hair in a month. And do you want to know why? It's because I was using this leave-in molecular repair hair mask from K18. So what is K18? It is a 4-minute leave-in mask treatment that is supposed to repair your hair from chemical damage, bleach, coloring, or any type of heat, while also restoring the softness, strength, and bounce to your hair. And it's said to be good for all hair types. Now, the real kicker for me with this product was the price. So this is 0.5 fluid ounces and it costs $30, y'all. And this is like the trial version. So the regular size is 1.7 fluid ounces and it's $75. And I just was not going to commit to paying $75 for a product that I just was not sure about. So I went with this. And while I picked that up, I also picked up their brand new Peptide Prep pH maintenance shampoo. If you saw my last video talking about like bond treatments and things, you'll know why it's important to me as a colored natural to use a pH balanced shampoo. And also you'll know why I wanted to try this hair mask. I'm all about the treatments and bond building and all that right now. So let's get into how we use these products. Now, unlike the other bond treatments that I do have in my stash, which I typically use as pre-poos, this is of course a leave-in treatment. So what I would do is I would hop in the shower, cleanse my hair thoroughly using this pH maintenance shampoo, and then I would use my towel and like towel dry my hair until it was almost dry. Like it was such a different experience for me. So we skip the conditioner. There's no regular conditioning, no deep conditioning. It's straight from shampoo to applying this leave-in mask because it is going to penetrate into like the polypeptide chains, like deep into the center of your hair strands, like deeper than the cuticle, cortex, all that good stuff. Like it's really getting in there. And you let it sit for 4 minutes to really let it penetrate, and then you can go on with your regular styling, like using a leave-in or serums or oils, creams, all that good stuff, whatever you use to style your hair. So like I said, that was very, very interesting. And y'all, let me tell you about each wash day. So you've seen a couple of them if you are a regular on my channel. If you haven't subscribed, you please go ahead, do so, help a sister out. So the first time I used it was when I did that foam twist out. The video will be linked in the description box down below. I washed, shampooed, and used this as a leave-in treatment, and I was really nervous because I just felt like I wasn't putting any moisture into my hair, and foams are very lightweight. So I was like, my hair is going to feel so brittle and break off. Like I know it. But that twist out actually looks really good. I went to the beach. I never retwisted my hair. Like my styles felt like it was actually lasting throughout that week. So the next week, same deal, except I had to blow dry and straighten my hair. I was at my cousin's wedding and I wanted to do a silk press, and that gave me even more pause because we know as a natural, let alone a colored natural, like moisture, deep conditioning is your best friend. So the thought of me only using this leave-in mask, and then I followed up with the Olaplex number 9 and like a spray leave-in, because you don't want to use heavy products when you are doing a silk press on your hair. But I will say my hair was so easy to detangle after applying this mask and waiting the 4 minutes and applying that serum. Like crazy. Like that was the best blow dry. If I have any footage, I'm obviously inserting it over here, but it was a really good experience. I was completely shocked at that point. Now, while my hair is in that silk press, I, in some places, went over my hair 4 to 5 times with my flat iron. And y'all know that is not something I usually do. So I was so nervous that my hair was not going to revert completely because I did so many passes on my hair. And so if you saw the pattern detangling nectar video, that's obviously where I was trying to revert my hair and I didn't show you guys the wash day, and now you know why. And I will say that my hair reverted back for the most part. There wasn't a lot of heat damage. I feel like there was some, but for as many passes as I did on my hair, there was like no heat damage, and I was completely like taken aback. So that was 3 of my wash days. And so obviously the 4th one is here I am today. I did my hair Friday and today is Monday. So this is day 3 hair. I stretched my hair and I did a twist out. And I used a really light spray leave-in and then my EcoSlay lemon buttercream to get here. And I twisted it and I haven't done anything else to it. And so let me tell you how I feel about these K18 products. I will say that I noticed that my hair was not shedding as much. And I don't know if my hair is just, I don't know what phase of the like shedding cycle my hair is in right now. But when I tell you, after each shampoo, there was little to no hair in my shower. Even when I was blow drying it, I wasn't losing a lot of hair. When I was detangling my hair, which I hate to do, nothing. And I didn't really see a lot of breakage. And a part of me wants to say it's because I was using this shampoo and treatment. Also, I don't know if you can tell, but my hair just has such a shine to it that it normally doesn't have. And I especially noticed it like as soon as I'm applying the leave-in mask to my hair, like the blonde just looks like golden. Like it has a shine to it that I typically don't see on my hair, especially like just washing and conditioning. Typically I get a shine after I've like used a butter or a styling cream or applied some sort of oil. So I do like the natural shine that my hair has. Like I don't even know if you can see it now, but like Fred is glowing. Another thing that I have noticed is how soft my hair is. You would think that my hair would be dry and brittle since I have not used any heavy conditioners, and that is not the case. Now, I don't really know how to say this so that it makes sense because I just said that my hair is soft, right? But it's also kind of rough. Like the strands of my hair feel rough. So my hair is soft but not smooth, if that makes sense. If not, like just tell me in the comments that I'm not making sense. Like I can feel every bend in my hair strand. I don't know, but like I haven't seen my coils like look like this in a really long time. Like I haven't seen them in this sort of state since I colored my hair, and it's been almost a year. I don't know if it's a mental thing where it's just like, okay, like I haven't deep conditioned my hair or used a conditioner in a month, like I'm having withdrawals because I can't wait to wash my hair. I'm going to wash my hair tomorrow since I have finished this trial, because like our hair needs moisture, like especially because my hair is colored, it tends to be drier, high porosity, so it's harder to keep the moisture in. But like I feel like it looks good though. Now I'm not completely sure how this has repaired my ends. I gotta trim the end of June. It's now practically the middle of October, so I'm overdue for a trim. but honestly I feel like the ends of my hair don't look too shabby, and like even when I stretch them out, like they're not breaking and they bounce right back. Do y'all see that? Absolutely crazy. One thing I forgot to mention earlier, so on this wash day I did use one of those other bonding treatments as a pre-poo, because you can do that. You can use one of those rinse out ones as a pre-poo like you typically would use them, clarify your hair with the shampoo, and then use this K18 treatment. So I've really been trying to repair my hair. Oh, one thing that I did appreciate though was my wash days were super quick. Like they took no time because I wasn't applying conditioner. Like crazy to me. But one thing about this Peptide Prep pH maintenance shampoo, I would recommend this, especially if you are a colored natural like I am. The thing about this shampoo is, because it is pH balanced, it says that it is going to keep the excess water out. And when you have colored hair, water actually can strip away some of the color. So that's why you see people who don't have the healthiest hair, like their hair already wasn't in tip-top shape before they colored it, and like their color won't last as long, or it seems to fade, and that's because they're either washing it too frequently, their hair was already damaged, and it's not staying deposited. So I think this is something that will help maintain the vibrancy of my color. So yeah, like I said, not highly recommend, but if you are in the market for a pH balanced maintenance shampoo, I would recommend this. This leave-in mask, it's $75, y'all. Like, this is not a necessity whatsoever, but I liked it. I really did. Like, I can see myself using this once a month, especially after I go in for a trim, because I get silk presses, and sometimes I even get a color service at the same time, and I am kind of into the science of it. I don't know. I could see myself picking this up during the Sephora VIB sale just so I'm saving some coin, but I like it. I don't know about love. I am not telling you to buy a $75 product, okay? I'm just not that girl. But if you have the money and if you are interested in this bonding treatment, I say give it a try. Of course, start with this size first. I think it'll save you in the long run, so you can figure out whether you like it or not. But don't just hop in and buy the Big Daddy unless you know that you're gonna love it. But yeah, comment down below and let me know if anybody else has tried K18, or if you've been interested. Let me know what other people have been saying about it. I really haven't seen a lot of naturals using it, so I was really interested to try these products out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you all, and I will see you guys really soon.